Coughing for weeks? Feeling tired all the time? It might be TB. Tuberculosis, TB, is a serious bacterial infection that mainly affects the lungs. Early diagnosis and treatment are key to beating it. Symptoms include persistent cough, fever, night sweats, weight loss, loss of appetite, fatigue. Take your full course of treatment. With the right care, you can fully recover. Consult us today for expert advice and treatment. Early treatment can save lives.